quick video to show you how you can get your wallet address to receive USDT in your wallet. In case somebody has helped you to acquire USDT and they want to send it to you so you can buy your license, your mandatory license that is 39 euro. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can do that step by step. All right, so the first thing you do, you log into your XERA account. So when you log in product, so you scroll down and you're going to log into KMALL. All right, you log into KMALL and then you'll go to your wallet. Okay, all right, so you look at the menu at your left hand corner, go to click on my wallet. All right, wait for it to open. Okay, so you click on top up. So you want to top up your wallet. So the coin that you want is USDT. It has to be USDT. Then you select the network. So the network has to be TRC20. TRC20 is the gas fee is less than Ethereum network. So make sure you select the TRC20. And please note that if you are sending USDT to this wallet address, it must be 10 USDT and above. Anything less than that will not arrive. It will be lost in transit. Okay, the minimum amount of USDT you are to send to your wallet address has to be 10. The first thing is the coin you want to receive, which is USDT, and then you select your Tron network with TRC20, and then you now copy the wallet address, which is this. Okay, so you click on this copy. All right, so this wallet address you will now send to the person who is going to send you your USDT. You can see here I topped up, as 44 USDT through the Tron network, and when it arrived in my wallet, it was immediately converted to Euro K. All right, so I received 40 Euro K, so which I used 39 euro to buy my license. So I have a balance of 1.89 euro in my wallet from that transaction, because during the transaction process, 1 euro will be deducted for the transaction fee as gas fee. All right, so this is all you need to do. You just copy your wallet address, then you can go to your WhatsApp and then send it to the person that needs to send you the USDT. Or you take it to the exchange where you have bought the USDT. Maybe you have bought it, your USDT in Bybit, all right, Bybit exchange. So you now go there and place it there so that USDT can now be sent to your wallet. And when it's sent to your wallet, then you can now purchase your license. Okay, so this is the first stage. So we're going to be doing how you can then get the USDT from whatever exchange you're getting it from, and then also how you can purchase your license after you have received the USDT.